Everyone, it's a pleasure for me to meet all of you. So please allow me to introduce myself first. I'm Leben and I'm a grade A student of Kihon Secondary School. As you know, with the crowded growth of economies, the rampant emergence of industrial zones, and the increasing number of means of transport, the data projection is increasingly posing more ordeals to the environment of this planet. And one of the most oversized crises is climate change. So what is climate change and how does it affect our life? Let's encounter an opposite explanation to this inquiry, such as temperature, precipitation, and wind. For ages, the consolidations of ecosystem in our world has been under risk because of the weather inequality that has seriously affected of the future mortality and the consistency of global economizing. We all know that our nature is impressed by climate breakdown now. But what is the causality of the climate crisis? There are innumerable rationales, but the main reason for this, also the history of all, is humans. The percussion of humanity on nature, such as desertification causing ecological imbalance, the use of chemicals such as pesticides or herbicides, and even smoke, industrial and urban waste, it is directly into the environment. Every year, extreme weather events occur more and more, from superstorms, melting glaciers at the poles, record heat waves, erosion of coastal lands, and many other natural disasters. We commonly blame climate change for this lack of a broader view of the impact of environmental pollution, one of which is plastic pollution. It is not an exaggeration to say that plastic waste is part of the link of routine contamination leading to the global climate change. However, mentioning or overlooking this problem is scarce. Plastic waste is all around us, in the air, in the mouth, in the ice of Mount Everest, in the water we drink, and it was even discovered in the humans percentages recently. Plastics also have indirect dissemination effects, provoking environmental deterioration and ecological imbalance. Furthermore, attempt to reduce your plastic footprint by choosing food or drinks without plastic packaging and bringing a reusable bag. Some shops now have plastic-free aisles, and many stores offer blue products or use dispenser and refillable containers. Therefore, use reusable bags to store food or drinks instead of accepting a plastic one. When shopping online, look for options that will allow you to opt out of plastic packaging. Peculiarly, it is essential to extend awareness and acquaintance of environmental protection for students, the generation to shoulder the country's responsibilities soon. Instead of foster tomorrow, the remediations and approaches of nature ought to be a top priority. Everybody should reflect that merely a diminutive shifting of theirs can compare the club to the rampage. Furthermore, all humanity must converge that indicators to unravel a temperature modification, a global situation, not just an experiment or any different nations or someone.